Taste test na tayo ng sushi from Japanese market on Eastern Avenue. Yay! Okay guys, we are gonna try. Bagay sa hairstyle ko na mukhang Korean.
Kasi busog na ako eh. I'll just eat the rest later.
It's not bad for $5. Sarap. Okay. Next is shrimp tempura roll. So, saw natin sa toyo. Ang sarap. Okay, mauulit.